At Parsons, we believe a handshake and our promise is the only way to do business. Our reputation is the best in town. We offer the most trusted brands on the market, and our same-day service will make any office satisfied. We're not your typical office equipment store. We seek to discover key issues for technology advancements and cost savings. Our team has a trained eye to help reduce unnecessary printing and copying, achieving a more paperless office for our customers. In addition to copiers, printers, and mailing equipment, our software solutions are many, including print management, document management, tablets, workflows, and automation processes. Today, network security is a must. We have the first copiers on the market that offer an ultimate security package. So give us a call for friendly customer service, fast repair times, and competitive prices.